For a fast set and a faster finish, there's Mapei's Planislope RS. This rapid-setting cement-based polymer-modified sloping mortar has been designed to add speed and convenience to sloping and thick-bed mortar installations. Ready for waterproofing in as little as 1 hour, Planislope RS includes a blend of select aggregates that mixes to an easy-to-trowel yet high-build mortar. It can be used for pre-sloping, sloping, leveling, screeding, ramping, and trenching in interior or exterior environments over concrete and plywood substrates. Planislope RS can be applied in thicknesses ranging from 1/4 inch to 3 inches. When used in trenches, it can be applied up to 5 inches thick. Planislope RS can be mixed in several ways, such as a dry pack or a direct bond mortar. For this how-to video, we'll focus on the dry pack installation of a shower. When working with Planislope RS mortar, keep both the water and the mortar cool. The total working time is about 25 minutes. Use 2.3 to 3.2 quarts of cool water per 50 pounds of mortar. And mix. The thoroughly mixed mortar should be easily formed into a ball that does not crumble. Place and cover the drain. Apply a coat of thin set onto the concrete. Then dump and pack the mixed mortar into the shower pan. Using screed guides to establish pitch toward the drain, level Planislope RS until the surface is filled and is sloped to the drain tolerances. In as little as 1 hour, the Planislope RS should be set and the substrate should be ready to be waterproofed. Planislope RS guarantees you a fast set for a faster finish.